Hello guys, for today's video on my YouTube channel, and I will show you guys. I had writing tablet. I opened this in yesterday because I have Christmas party. So I'm gonna unbox again this because I'm not show you guys yesterday because I'm busy with my Christmas party. So let's see what is this. Okay, let's see. Let's just read first. 12 LCD writing tablet of environmental metal protection. Environment friendly, no paper, no coke. Painting, crafting, practice colors. This is what is like the box. It's like that. And then you can buy in Shopee. My mom buy this because I like it. This is my wish list I want. So this is what is Save Tree Trees. And then this and this. This is for only 2 years because there's a battery here. And then let's see if there's gonna say papers here. Saving papers up to 100,000. So it looks like that. And then let's just, and this is like the construction light. It looks like that. Let's just open now, guys. Oh, look. It's pink. It's like this. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to use this. Okay, this was the eraser. And this was the ball pen. You can just put it like that. And then this was the lock or unlock, but it's unlocked right now. If I lock this, look, I will just put it like this, and then I will it's not working. You need to unlock it so it will erase. And this is what if you don't know how to draw, you should do this, guys. And then you should do this like first, and then whatever you want to draw, but I like this. Okay, that was my only video. Please share and like and subscribe. Bye bye.